turn any socket into a ceiling fan. I added this to my garage. Again, wherever you have it, they can go in floor lamps, they can hang from the ceiling, doesn't matter. Simply unscrew your light bulb, screw this into any light socket, and it works. Everyone comes with a remote control. I can turn it on, turn the light on. You can change the fan speeds, you can change the color of the light, you can dim the light down. I can dim it all the way up. It even has a memory function, so it's always gonna remember what your last setting was as well. Gives off an enormous amount of air, 18 inches, 2000 lumen light. I love these things. I have them linked below. They're a great price right now. Check it out.